Hello traders, before we get into this review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the Agoybot EA on MT4, and I'll be going through how it is presented on the MQL5 Marketplace, what the developer claims it does, and then I'll take a look at the backtesting results to understand its overall behavior. So here we are on the MQL5 Marketplace page. This EA is called Agoybot, developed by Maldini Yoga Pratama, and it's currently priced at 33 US dollars. The version listed here is 1.0, and it shows 5 activations available. From what I can see here, this is an expert advisor designed for MetaTrader 4. There is no mention of MT5 compatibility in the listing. So I'll be focusing entirely on the MT4 version in this review. Now, moving into the description, Agoybot is presented as a logic-based trading robot that works by breaking high and low candles on the selected time frame with a suggestion to use the M1 chart. Okay, so right away, the focus here is clearly on lower time frame activity. The developer also mentions that the EA includes selectable strategies, meaning you can choose between different approaches like averaging or hedging. All right. It also mentions that users are free to explore different presets, including martingale, hedging recovery, or one-shot style approach. So instead of a fixed strategy, it seems more like a system where behavior depends heavily on the presets you choose. Now, looking further down, there are a few input parameters explained. One of them is the candle count, which defines how many candles are used to determine the high and low levels for generating trade signals. Another setting controls how long a signal remains valid before it expires if price doesn't react to it. There is also an interval setting that determines how frequently new signals can be generated after a previous trade cycle is completed. These parameters are important because they directly influence how frequently the EA reacts to market movements and how often it generates new trading opportunities. Okay, so the developer also mentions recommended trading conditions, including pairs like gold, GBP USD, and Euro USD with a focus on the M1 time frame. Broker wise, it is stated that the EA can be used on any broker, but a low spread environment is suggested for better execution conditions. Minimum deposit guidance starts around $500 or cent accounts for safety, with a recommended level closer to $1,000 depending on account type. Now let's move into the backtesting section and see how this EA behaves historically. When looking at backtesting results, I always like to focus on understanding how the system interacts with past market conditions rather than just the outcome itself. The goal here is to see how consistent the logic appears across different phases of the market. Okay, the developer mentions that this EA can even be backtested on a weekly basis, which suggests it may produce more frequent or cycle-based trading behavior. All right, so let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester. And as you can see, I'm testing the Agoybot on Euro USD on the M1 time frame, and we are using the every tick modeling. We are testing it over the past month. Let's quickly see the report. So from an initial deposit of $50,000, total net profit was $6.51. The total trades taken, we have 15. Short positions, we have 15 with 93.33% win rate. So what that means is that all the trades taken were short trades, and the largest profit was $0.94. Largest loss was $6.65. Average profit $0.94. Average loss $6.65. This tells me that the risk reward ratio is very, very bad, but the win rate is excellent. So when you put the win rate side by side with the risk to reward ratio, I'm not surprised to see a total net profit that is very tiny when you compare it with the initial deposit. So the total net profit is about is just a little above 0.1% or 0.01%, because 10% of 50,000 will be 5,000, 1% will be 500, right? 0.1 will be 50, so 0.01 is 5. So the total net profit was just a little above 0.01. It was not even up to 0.02%. Okay, so the risk to reward ratio is very bad. You can see the difference. Average profit is not even up to $1, but the average loss is over $6. Now let's just quickly see the EA in action just for a moment. Same settings. I just turned on the visual mode so that we can see the EA in action. All right, so as I go through the historical chart, I'm paying attention to how those cycles appear and how price interacts with the high and low breakout logic described in the settings. Now, at this stage, I would also note that longer testing periods are generally more useful for understanding how an EA behaves across different volatility conditions. All right, short snapshots can sometimes be misleading, so I'll personally recommend extending the test duration if you want a clearer picture, because 1 month is actually not enough, to make a conclusion on the EA's performance. But looking at the historical performance, it's important to treat this as historical backtest analysis only. All right, results will always vary depending on lot size, risk settings, broker execution, spreads, slippage, and how the EA is configured by the user. So from a behavior perspective, what I'm mainly observing is how the EA reacts around previous highs and lows, and how different preset choices might influence trade frequency and position management. The structure seems to revolve around repeated reaction to price extremes, which aligns with the candle-based signal description provided in the settings. Overall, Agoybot EA is presented as a flexible MT4 logic-based system that allows users to experiment with different trading styles through presets and signal settings. As always, before considering any live use, it's important to test it thoroughly, run longer historical evaluations, and adjust settings based on your own risk approach and market conditions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.